Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily find all the deleted posts on Instagram in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. I am on my iPhone. You can follow the exact same steps if you're on an Android or a computer as well. So first of all, you'll have to open up the Instagram app and then tap on your profile on the bottom right and your three lines on the top right to head over to the menu. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on your activity just below settings and privacy, and it will take you to this page, and right in the removed and archived content section you'll find an option of recently deleted. Tap on that, and basically it says when you delete posts, stories, IGTV videos and reels, they'll show up here, only you can see them. In my case there is no deleted content on my account. In your case it may be different because you have deleted some posts or stories as well, or reels. So that's how you can easily find all the deleted posts on Instagram. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.